kickstart our broadcast tonight from the Mendhar sector of the line of control. You've seen how the Pakistani government has invited Hurriyat leaders for talks just at the time when the NSA will be in Delhi. Remember last time the Indian government had said that talking to the Hurriyat is a clear red line. Well, our government seems to have forgotten all about it. So we've got Gaurav Sawant, our strategic affairs editor, reporting tonight from a post very close to the line of control. You can see Pakistani posts on the other side, where he gets us a sense of how Pakistan is trying to up the ante along the border. Take a look at this India Today ground report.
Pak's unrelenting border aggression. Pakistani troops resorting to massive ceasefire violations. Both civilian and military positions in India coming under heavy Pak fire. Forward posts along the LOC in Balakot and Poonch sectors targeted overnight. Indian troops retaliating with matching force, and India Today got exclusive access to India's fight back.
Pakistan has once again violated the ceasefire at the line of control. We are at a mortar position. This is an 81mm mortar position at the line of control. Small arms fire has started. Preparations to respond to Pakistan's mortar fire, which is anticipated at this stage. With me is Major Pranav. Because of security reasons, I cannot tell you the name of his battalion and our exact location. Major, what's the latest that's happening here?
Pakistan has once again resorted to a ceasefire violation, and they have resorted with the automatic weapons onto our forward post. We are preparing our mortar location for the assault on them if we are fired upon with the mortars. Let's get into the safe place.
It is advisable at this stage to get into these communication trenches because we are in the line of enemy fire where we are at this forward location. Pakistan appears to be targeting your civilian locations, our civilian locations. Is this by design or by mistake?
Yeah, this has been seen this time that Pakistan has deliberately targeted our civilian localities also, even from the locations where we don't have any forward post also.
Is there any instruction to you to be restrained in your response, or are these boys under your orders or your CO's orders free to respond to Pakistan violating LOC ceasefire?
We have not been restrained by anything, but we have been told that we have to reply the fire by a fire only, and we have to destroy the post of the enemy which is targeting us.
Pakistan has been using heavy weapons like 120mm and 82mm mortar bombs, killing innocent civilians and BSF jawans.
मैं रसोई में थी, खाना बना रही थी. जब दो फायर आए तो मैं अंदर भागी, तो 5 मिनट हुए. 5 मिनट के बाद रसोई में फायर आया, वो चूल्हे में बढ़ गया. तो बाथरूम में भी पूरे मकान की तबाही कर दी.
मकानों की तबाही, शीटें तबाह, अंदर से अलमारियां, खिड़कियां, दरवाजे तोड़ फोड़, सुराखें बन गई हैं, शीटें तबाह हो गई हैं. घर बचने के लिए नहीं रहा है.
तकरीबन 150-200 के लगभग यहाँ पे जो शदीद गोलाबारी हुई है. पाकिस्तान अपनी नापाक जो हरकतों से बाज नहीं आता है, और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि मजीद जो सिविलियन पे सिर्फ सिविलियन को टारगेट बनाया गया.
Pak Rangers have expanded their arc of targets along the LOC and international border in the run-up to the NSA level talks. Is there a well-calculated strategy to kill bilateral talks? Bureau Report, India Today.